Okay, folks, here is the next step, and I'm one of I don't know how many steps of bringing this camper dream to life here. And here is the doorway of questionable, doubtful decisions here. More abstract, expressionistic, questionable paint schemes here, and what's left of. I don't even know what the framework was supposed to look like, and I was looking online to see what it was supposed to be, and then I said, oh, stop yourself. What about my very proud of my own hashtag don't settle for an off the shelf life, which says to me I don't have to put back what was there. I can put back what I want and find out what works best for me. So haven't made my mind up yet on that one, because I've got an awful lot left to do with the cleaning up of this ick. Ugh. Not only is there one layer of questionable paint decor ideas, there's two. I'm trialing a little bit of paint thinner here to see if I can get this stuff off, and there's another layer of ick underneath it, and more of these cheap stick-on plastic fake tiles, and I don't even know why that's there. It's disgusting and gross, but at least it's non-biological. And all that's got to come off before I figure out how I'm going to turn this into a functioning door again. So, thanks for watching, and hopefully this will turn out okay. Stay tuned. Thanks.